baby girl, why don't you check out a nigga? Yeah.
Man, I go to work, true winner. Jeans skinny, like Squirrel. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. When it's cold, I'ma call it winter. Switching for the niggas, daddy call it winter. Baby got ass, shelter call it thinners. BS Jackson, skilly with the liver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember. Competition, see the creeds, they surrender. Smoking white clef kush, now I'm gon' get a winner. Move your arms like you will chest up. Drop low, grab your shoulder like fuck. Tip power 106 to bang this shit. Beat up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, crack back. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, take a crack back. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy.
Too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black on Acorn. Black headlights, I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going next to Acorn. I'm a motherfucking pro for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coldest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and it smells like pubes all around my dick. I black head like a collie, pockets guacamole. Chicks in the back at your neck like a rollie. Playing with your chick, she ate the cat daddy lonely. So I think a jungle fever, more shit's going. Yeah, I'm cracking like a newborn rooster. Chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boosting. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she choosing. Daddy haters screaming, what the fuck they do?
Call me SpongeBob, crack back. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, take a crack back. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Tell him cat daddy for a spin. Chain, cause